Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Audible on Kindle. First, confirm your Kindle model is compatible with Audible. Most newer Kindle Paperwhite, Oasis, and Fire models support audiobooks. Next, connect your device to a strong Wi-Fi signal to download your audiobooks efficiently. Finally, navigate to the Audible store on your Kindle to browse and purchase titles or access your existing library. It's a seamless way to switch between reading and listening. Once you've selected an audiobook, download it directly to your Kindle. Depending on the file size, which can range from a few hundred megabytes to over 1 gigabyte, this might take a few minutes. To listen, connect your Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your Kindle. You can then control playback, adjust the listening speed from 0.5 times to 3 times the normal speed, and jump between chapters with simple on-screen controls, offering a truly personalized experience. One of the most powerful features is WhisperSync for voice. This technology allows you to effortlessly switch between reading an ebook and listening to its corresponding audiobook, picking up exactly where you left off in either format. To utilize this, you'll need to own both the Kindle ebook and the Audible audiobook. Many titles offer a discounted price for the audiobook if you already own the ebook, making it a cost-effective way to enjoy both experiences. To ensure the best experience, remember that listening to audiobooks consumes more battery than reading, so keep an eye on your charge, especially during longer sessions. Audiobooks can also take up significant storage space, often between 200 and 500 megabytes per title, so delete finished books to free up room. Finally, dive into Audible's vast library, which contains hundreds of thousands of titles, to discover your next great listen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.